Welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make a photo private on Facebook. Follow this step. Go to your profile. From your profile, scroll down until you see the Photos button. Tap it to view your Facebook all photos. Then, find the photos you want to make private. Now select your photo, then click three dots in the top right corner. Select Edit Privacy. You will see a section that says Public, Friends, Friends Accept, Specific Friends, and Only Me. From here, you can control who can view the album. Select Only Me if you do not want anyone else, but you will see this album. Now your happy photos is private. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more updates.